Your home or garage can be more than storage space. It can be a mini factory. With just a small investment and the right machine, you can turn spare square footage into a money-making setup. In this video, you'll discover 10 practical machines that can power low-cost businesses you can run right from home. Each one creates products people already buy every day, and many of them are surprisingly affordable to start with. If you want to buy any of these machines, send me your details on the email address in the description. Swing arm, clicker press, cutting machine. When it comes to cutting shapes from leather, foam, fabric, or rubber, this machine delivers precision and speed. It works with steel dies. Simply place material on a pad, set the die, and activate the arm. The press swings down with tons of force, cutting clean shapes in a split second. Then it lifts back up, ready for the next cut. This setup is why shoe, bag, and upholstery makers rely on it. It creates consistent patterns without the uneven edges you'd get by hand. For small businesses, this opens countless possibilities. You could create custom leather goods like wallets, coasters, or bookmarks. Or produce sets of pre-cut craft materials such as foam shapes, textile patches, or leather tags. Local shoemakers, upholsterers, and crafters often need precision-cut pieces and may outsource to you. Entry-level machines aren't out of reach. A used desktop press with about 20 tons of force typically starts at $3,000 to $4,000. EVA foam sheet, cutting machine. Foam products are everywhere. Mats, puzzles, packaging inserts, even sports gear. And this machine is built to cut them with flawless precision. Using a flatbed surface and a motorized blade, often computer-controlled, it slices EVA foam sheets into exact shapes and patterns. Once set up, it can cut large sheets in seconds, making bulk orders efficient and waste minimal. Business opportunities are broad. You could produce yoga mats, interlocking play mats, protective padding, or custom packaging inserts. For parents, foam puzzles and play mats are always popular, while hobbyists may need foam templates or gaskets for DIY projects. Sports shops or gyms could be customers for floor padding and equipment protectors. Even shipping companies value custom foam inserts that protect fragile products in transit. Surprisingly, the investment isn't overwhelming. Entry-level foam cutters start at about $2,500 to $3,000, making them accessible for a home or garage setup. Bead stringing machine. Jewelry and accessories thrive on consistency, and this machine guarantees it. Instead of manually threading each bead, the unit uses vibration or suction systems to line beads and automatically string them onto threads, wires, or cords. You simply load beads into the hopper, set the length, and let it work. The speed is unmatched, allowing for dozens of necklaces, bracelets, or decorative strings to be made in a fraction of the time compared to hand assembly. For a home-based business, this is a gem. Handmade jewelry is a booming market, and with this machine, you can scale production without losing the personal touch. Craft fair vendors, online shops, and even souvenir stores are eager for affordable but stylish beadwork. Beyond jewelry, you can create curtain strings, festival decorations, or custom garlands. The cost is highly approachable. Entry-level bead stringing machines start at about $300 to $400, making it one of the lowest-priced machines here. Small quilting machine. For anyone passionate about textiles, this machine transforms fabric into finished art. Unlike standard sewing machines, quilting models are built with large frames and guided carriages that stitch through layered fabric and batting. Some are even computerized, offering automated patterns for consistent, intricate designs. You simply sandwich your fabrics, set the stitch, and guide the quilt. It handles the heavy lifting of uniform stitching across large pieces. The market for quilted products is timeless. Handmade quilts and blankets are cherished gifts for weddings, new babies, and home decor. Beyond quilts, you can craft quilted jackets, table runners, wall hangings, or pillows. You could sell them online, at craft fairs, or partner with baby boutiques and home decor shops. The angle of handmade heirloom quality sells especially well. The cost is practical for a small business. Entry-level quilting machines start around $3,500, and each finished quilt can sell for hundreds. Eyelet punch machine. Built with top and bottom dies, it punches a hole and crimps a metal ring, grommet, around it in one quick press. Whether manual or electric, the process is fast and consistent. Align the material, press, and you've got a neat, professional eyelet. Curtains, tarps, banners, or belts. Any product needing strong holes benefits from this tool. For small business use, it's versatile. You could make custom curtains with durable metal eyelets, prepare banners for event planners, or sell pre-punched leather straps to DIY crafters. Scrapbookers and hobbyists also love eyelets for creative projects. Packaging sets of pre-punched fabric or kits with colorful grommets could open niche markets. Sign shops, party planners, and decorators are potential steady clients since they regularly need reinforced fabrics. The barrier to entry is minimal. Even an electric handheld version costs as little as $80 to $100, which means you can start almost instantly. Highlight durability and the professional finish in your marketing. Customers will see the value. Nylon tube cutting machine. Flexible plastic tubing is used in everything from plumbing to gardening, and this machine makes preparing it simple. It's built with sharp rotating blades and a feed system that measures tubing to exact lengths. Just feed in the roll, set the size, and the cutter slices tube after tube with consistency. The demand for pre-cut nylon tubes is steady. Hardware shops, automotive repair centers, and irrigation businesses all need them. You could supply custom lengths to local businesses that don't want to invest in bulk rolls. Selling online in packs for hobbyists, aquarium owners, or small-scale mechanics also opens a market. Some customers may even want branded packaging with measurements clearly labeled, which adds professionalism and appeal. The machine itself doesn't demand a huge investment. Basic automatic cutters start around $600 to $800, which is accessible for most small business setups. Jute bag stitching machine. Reusable shopping bags are in huge demand, and this machine makes them possible. Designed to handle the thick, coarse fibers of jute, it stitches panels into strong, eco-friendly bags. Unlike regular sewing machines, it uses heavy-duty needles and motors that glide through multiple layers of rough fabric, producing clean seams that hold up under weight. Operation is simple. Place cut panels together, feed them in, and let the machine stitch up the sides and bottom in minutes. From a business perspective, this is a golden opportunity. More shoppers, cafes, and boutiques prefer natural fiber totes over plastic. You could customize bags with logos, event prints, or creative designs and sell them locally at farmers markets, craft fairs, or even wholesale to eco-conscious stores. Small companies are always searching for branded bags for promotions, and jute bags give them a sustainable edge. Best of all, the investment is tiny. A basic unit starts around $200 to $1,000, making it one of the lowest cost machines on this list. Laser spot welding machine. When metals need to be joined with exact precision, this machine does it flawlessly. Using a focused laser beam, it welds tiny spots without heating or damaging the surrounding area. Jewelers, electronics manufacturers, and automotive workshops rely on this method for its clean, durable welds. The process is simple to operate. Align the metals, adjust the beam, and press the trigger. The result is a smooth joint that requires little or no finishing. As a business, this opens premium opportunities. Jewelers often need repairs for delicate pieces, while electronics shops require precise welds for circuit components. You could also serve local garages by fixing small automotive parts. Offering custom welding services with the selling point of precision and strength positions your work above traditional soldering. It's a bit more of an investment, but the returns can be significant. Entry-level portable machines start around $1,500 to $2,000, and jobs are often priced per piece. Energy ball forming machine. Health-conscious snacks are on the rise, and this machine makes producing them efficient. Built with rollers and molds, it takes dough or mixture and shapes it into uniform energy balls in seconds. You just feed in the mixture, whether it's oats, nuts, dates, or protein blends, and the machine portions and rounds them without sticking or breaking. The snack industry is exploding, and these products fit perfectly into current trends. You could create branded protein balls for gyms, yoga studios, and health food shops. Farmers markets and local cafes also love stocking natural, handmade snacks. With custom flavors or healthy twists like gluten-free or vegan recipes, you can stand out quickly. Proper packaging with nutritional labels enhances trust and shelf appeal. Bulk orders for events or offices could bring in steady revenue streams. The entry cost is reasonable for food production. Basic models start at around $2,500 to $3,000, and output is high enough to keep up with demand. With minimal ingredients and creative recipes, this machine lets you tap into the billion-dollar health snack market right from your kitchen or garage. Wooden ice cream stick machine. Something as simple as a popsicle stick has massive demand, and this machine takes raw wood and turns it into polished, uniform sticks. The process involves feeding thin wooden sheets into the machine, which stamps, cuts, and smooths them into the familiar, rounded shape. Sanding rollers finish the edges, ensuring they're safe for food use. Once packaged, the sticks are ready for ice cream factories, craft kits, or medical supply companies. From a business perspective, the versatility is key. Beyond ice cream shops, schools, and daycare centers constantly need sticks for art and craft projects. Medical clinics use them as tongue depressors, while DIY hobbyists buy them for model building. Selling directly to local ice cream brands, craft stores, or through online bulk listings offers steady channels of income. Starting costs are higher than simpler machines, but still practical. Basic models begin at about $6,000 to $7,000. Considering the wide range of industries that need wooden sticks daily, it's a reliable product with constant demand.